Good day to you. You are welcome to my Yoruba class. Today we'll be looking at Oríkì in Yoruba. Oríkì is a praise name given to a child in Yoruba. Many of the times, this Oríkì is determined by the circumstances that surround the birth of a child or the things that are special or attributes that can be given to this newborn child. To understand Yoruba Oríkì properly,
You must know that Yoruba names are usually created.
they are usually formed from morphemes, words, phrases, and sometimes sentences. We don't just come by Yoruba names. They are usually formed from phrases or from sentences. Now, for instance, let's say Oluwabunmi. Oluwabunmi is a name that means God gifted me. Oluwa is God, Bun is gift. When you gift someone something, me is me. So when you say Oluwabunmi, that's God gifted me. That's a complete sentence used as a name in Yoruba. Also, considering Yoruba Orikis, they are formed in a similar order. Yoruba Orikis can be broken down into morphemes and words and explained bit by bit. Each constituent of Yoruba Oriki has its own meaning. Let's look at the following examples for proper understanding. Anike is someone who is treasured to have and cared for. Atoke is someone who is trained and cared for. Adoni is someone who is sweet to have. The person brings joy to the parents. They are so delighted, very happy to have the baby. Akanke is one who is consciously cared for, consciously and deliberately cared for. Akanke. Akanji is one whose touch gives life. One whose touch gives life. Ariyo is one who you rejoice at the sight of. Ariyo. Just like I said before, this can be broken down. Something or someone. Ri, see. Yo, rejoice. Can you see that? Ariyo, rejoice at the sight of. Okay? Abike is someone who is born for care. Ajoso is someone who is watched over by many. Alamu is one who survived to be chosen. One who survived to be chosen. In Yoruba, la, when you see the morpheme la, it suggests that one who survived. Alamu survived to be chosen. Aduke is one who everyone wants to take care of. Abeni means plead to have. This suggests that probably the parents wanted a baby and they just had to plead with the baby to come. Something like that. Abeni, plead to have. Abeke, consoled and cared for. One that is consoled and cared for. Ajike, wake to care for. When you wake up, you always take care of the person. Ajike. Akambi means deliberately born. Akambi is one deliberately born. Alabi is one born in great success. Ajani fought for to have. Ajadi means the end of a conflict. Probably the parents were not in good terms when they conceived the baby, and eventually when the baby was given birth to, the baby ended their conflict. Ajadi, end of a conflict. Akani means special to have. This name is usually given to the first male child. Special to have. Akani. Alani means survived to have. Anyide means arrived when praised. The baby arrived when praised. Adigun means complete and perfect. One who is complete and perfect. D means packaged. So A is someone. D, packaged. Gun, perfect. Gun, perfect. You must have had gunrege before. Gunrege, it means gun, perfect. So Adigun is complete and perfect. Ajala means one who was fought for and survived. Akande means one who purposefully came. Purposefully came. Alade. Alade means one who survived to arrive. One who survived to arrive. Alade survived to arrive. Ajagbe. Ajagbe. Ajagbe is one who was fought for to carry. Ajagbe fought for to carry. Akangbe. Akangbe is one who was deliberately carried. Akangbe deliberately carried. Alagbe. Alagbe survived to carry. Akamu. Akamu is one who was personally chosen. Aremu is one consoled before picked up. So we have consoled before pick up. Aremu, Aremu. Atanda, Atanda is one created to shine. Aweda is one created clean. Aweda, one created clean. Aweni is one hard without blemish. One hard without blemish. Adisa, Adisa is the smart one. Ashamu, Ashamu, one carefully chosen. One carefully chosen. Amao, Amao, molded to blossom. Adio, one packaged to blossom. Alao, one survived to blossom. Akao, one who blossoms deliberately. Ajao, one fought for to blossom. Arike, Arike is one who is seen for care. Arike, whenever you see one like that, it means the person is to be taken care of when seen. We have so many other orikis in Yoruba language that we have not been able to find their meaning. However, it doesn't mean that they do not have meaning. It only means that we need to do more studies on those orikis to actually get their original meaning.